Number 19. In the answer space below, draw vector AC given that vector AB is 3, 1 and vector BC is 1, -3. So for us to draw vector AC, the best way to do it is to find the coordinate of vector AC. So vector AC is equal to AB plus BC. So vector AC equals vector AB is 3, 1 plus vector BC is 1, -3. So in this case, we are going to add 3 plus 1, that is 4, 1 plus -3, that is -2. So this is vector AC. So vector AC is 4, -2. So this is X. So that is Y. I'm going to count 4 units for X. That is from A. So going this side, it is positive X. Going this side, it is negative X. Going upwards, it is positive Y. Going downwards, that is negative Y. So from point A, 4 units is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is positive 4, -2. So negative, that is for Y. So I'm going downwards, -1, -2. So that is where my C will be. So for AC, this is AC. So don't forget to show the direction. So that is vector AC. The straight line y is equal to 1 over 2x plus p passes through the point -2, 2. Find the coordinates of the y-intercept. So we've been given the equation as 1 over 2x plus p. So this is the equation of a straight line. So the equation of a straight line, it is derived from this formula, y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient, where c, it is the y-intercept. So p is the y-intercept. So for us to find first the y-intercept, we need to find, for us to find the y-intercept, we need the value of x and the value of y. So we've been given a coordinate which is -2, 2. So this is x, this is y. So where there is y, we substitute 2. So 1 over 2, where there is x, we substitute -2 plus p. So 2 is equal to 2 into 2, 1. 2 into -2, it's -1. So 1 times -1, it's -1 plus p. So from there, you correct the like terms. This is negative. When it comes here, it will be positive 1. So p is equal to 2 plus 1, it is 3. So 3 is the value of p. But remember, the question is demanding for the coordinates of the y-intercept. So what is the y-intercept? The y-intercept, it is a point in the y-axis. For example, this is x-axis, this is the y-axis. So that simply means that this is where 3 is. So in other words, maybe the line is passing here or it is passing here. So this is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is 3. So now what is the coordinate of the y-intercept? In the y-axis, x is equal to 0. And remember that a coordinate, it is x, y. So in the y-axis, x is 0. So x is 0. What is the value for y? So the value for y, which is the y-intercept, is 3. So the coordinate is 0, 3. That is the coordinate of the y-intercept. In the diagram, A, B, and C are 3 points on level ground. The bearing of B from A is 137 degrees, and the bearing of C from B is 250 degrees, and angle ACB is 35 degrees. So the first question, find the bearing of A from B. Find the bearing of A from B. So the bearing of A from B, we need to go on the last letter, which is B. So we are going to draw a true north on point B, but in this case, the true north is there. But the best way that you can do is simply to extend the true north. So you're going to move. So this is B. So you're going to move from B to A. So from B to A. So this is the angle that we are looking for. So this is the angle that we are looking for. We understand that this is a straight line. So a straight line adds up to 180 degrees. So this 250, it is from here to there. But a straight line here, it adds up to 180. So it is 180 plus the angle from here to there. So in this case, we are going to consider the alternate angles. Remember that the alternate angles, they are equal or they are the same. So that simply means that we've got a true north. This is a true north, and this is a true north. Okay, that's a true north, that is a true north. If I've got a line joining the two parallel lines, so it simply means that if this is x, this is also x. If this is y, this is also y. So that simply means that this x, it is alternating with this x, so these angles are the same. This y is alternating with this y, so these angles are the same. So the value of 1 is equal to this value of y. If this is 137, this is also 137. From here to there, it's 137. So if this is 137, then from there to there, it is also 137. So this 137, it is alternating to this 137. So this is 137 degrees. So the answer is 180, which is a straight line, plus from here to here, which is 137. It's the same as that one. So 137. So the answer is 317 degrees. So find the bearing of A from C. So we'll go on the last letter C, then we'll draw a true north. So we'll draw a true north at C. So this is a true north. Then I'll move from C to A. So this is C, and this is A. So from this C to A, so this is the angle that we are looking for. So remember that this angle is alternating to this angle. So for example, if I have this angle, then I have this angle as well. It is simple. So what we are going to do is to find this angle. Once we find this angle, then we have found this angle as well. So what do we do? Remember that a triangle adds up to 180. So angle C plus angle B plus angle A is equal to 180. So I've got angle C, but I don't have angle B. So in this case, we'll say from this end. So from here to here, it is 137. This is 137. This is 137. So this angle we have, from here to there we have. So remember that from here to here, it is 250. 250 minus a straight line, which is 180, then we remain with this angle. So 250 minus 180, we are going to have 0, 15, 7. So we are going to have 70 degrees. So this is 70 degrees. But from this point up to this point, it is 137. So we are going to subtract 137 minus this 70. Then we are going to have this angle. So 137 minus 70. So we are going to have 7. So that is 6, so 67. So this is 67 degrees. So in this case, I'll say 180 minus 35 minus 67. So we are going to have 78 degrees. So from here to here, it is 78 degrees. And remember that this is a straight line. A straight line adds up to 180. So 180 minus 137, it is 43. And this is also 43. So 180 minus 137, it is 43. So 78 minus 43, we are going to have 35 degrees. So therefore, 78 degrees minus 43 minus 43 is equal to 35 degrees. So remember that bearings are calculated in 3 digits. So there you add a 0 in front. So it is 0, 35 degrees. Write the 4 inequalities that define the unshaded region are on the diagram below. So how do we define the unshaded region? So the first thing, we are going to check what we call the special case lines. So from here, we've got 3 special case lines. Number 1, this is the line which is cutting x at 6. So this line, number 1, it is called x equals 6. That is an equation. First of all, we are going to write the equations. Then we'll come and write the inequalities. So that is number 1 equation. It is x is equal to 6. Then number 2, it is this line which is cutting y at 1, which is y is equal to 1. Number 3, this is also a special case line. Why are we saying that it is a special case line? It's a special case line because it is cutting at 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. This is the reason why I am saying 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, because it is cutting at 6, 6 and 0, 0. So these 2 points entails us that this is a special case line. So it is cutting at 0, 0 and 6, 6. So from these 2 points, we are able to tell that this is a special case line. It is cutting at 0, 0 and it is also passing through at 6, 6. So this is what we call y equals x. This is not a special case line. So if it is not a special case line, you apply the formula. So the formula is y is equal to mx plus c. So that is a formula that we are going to use. So where m is the gradient, c it is called the y-intercept. So how do we find the y-intercept? So the y-intercept, it's a point in the y-axis where the line cuts. So in the y-axis, the line is cutting at 3. So the y-intercept is 3. So y is equal to mx plus 3. Then from there now, we are going to find m, which is the gradient. So how do we find m? We need x and y. So from the x-intercept, so this is 6, 0. So that is 6, 0. So this is x and this is y. So where there is y, we substitute 0. Where there is x, we substitute 6. So it is 6m plus 3. So 3 comes here. It is going to be negative 3 is equal to 6m over 6 over 6. 6 goes. So m is equal to 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 6, it is 2. So m is negative 1 over 2. So the equation of a straight line becomes y is equal to, where there is m, we substitute negative 1 over 2. X plus the y-intercept is 3. So these are the 4 equations that we have. So from here now we are going to generate the inequalities. So how do we generate the inequalities? So remember that we have greater and less, but our interest, it is to define the unshaded region. So let's start with the first equation, which is x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. Where is r? Is r the greater or is on the less party? So for this line, r is on less than. The unshaded region for this line is less than, because here the numbers are decreasing, here the numbers are increasing. For example, if this is 6, then this is 5, then this is 7. So this side, the numbers are increasing. So for this line, for the shaded party is greater, for the unshaded party is less. So the equation number 1, it is x is less than 6. So why is it less than 6, not equal to 6? Why is it not x is less or equal to 6? Because this is a dotted what? It is a dotted line. So it is going to be x less than 6. Then we come to this line. So for this line, the unshaded region is this part. The shaded region is this part. So for this is y is equal to 1. Going this side, the numbers do what? Increase. Coming here, the numbers does what? Decrease. So for this line, the unshaded part is greater or equal to 1. So it will be y is greater or equal to 1. So it is greater or equal to 1. Then we have number 3. We have number 3. So y is equal to x. So y is equal to x. We want the unshaded region. So for this line, for all the lines that goes in this fashion, this is greater, this is less. So for this line, this party is greater, this party is less. So for this line, the unshaded region is less. So it is going to be y is less than x. So tatuabikeko ka equal to. The reason why tatuabikeko ka equal to, because e ni dotted line. Then now for this line, ukuku unshaded region. For this line, ukuku unshaded region niku great. Ukukunshi niku less. So for this line, the unshaded region is greater. So it is going to be y is greater or equal to negative 1 over 2 x plus 3. So that is 5 marks for you.